International shipping at the Smithsonian. What do I need to know? Certain federal regulations must be considered when shipping outgoing packages to or receiving incoming packages from overseas to ensure that the Smithsonian is in compliance. These regulations apply to all of Smithsonian's research and museum projects. Any international shipment you make or receive on behalf of Smithsonian must comply with all the relevant regulations. Failure to comply can result in severe fines and penalties for both the individual and the institution. To ensure a smooth shipment, it's important that you contact the Smithsonian's Export Compliance Officer, or ECO, at export@si.edu as soon as you become aware of your shipping needs or learn of an incoming shipment. Otherwise, there can be delays in making the shipment or accessing the incoming items. Here is the international shipment process at a glance. For outgoing shipments, the shipper fully completes the Export of Tangible Items Checklist, OSP EC03, available on the Export Controls website. For incoming shipments, the recipient fully completes the Import of Tangible Items Checklist, OSP EC05. This is important even if the incoming material was an unsolicited donation to the collection. Provide the ECO with as much information as possible about the items as detailed on the form. Contact the overseas party for any customs or broker details in advance, such as power of attorney, for duty-free or VAT tax treatment. The shipper or recipient emails the appropriate form to export@si.edu a month in advance if possible. We may request additional information to determine if an export or import license is needed from the government. For certain countries, the regulatory agency may prohibit exchanges in either direction. Note that if a government license is required, it could take several weeks to obtain it, so please plan ahead. If a license is required, the ECO will file a license application and will notify the shipper when SI has permission to proceed with the shipment. The shipper or recipient should keep a copy of all shipping documents, import documents, and correspondence for unit department records. That's it. Attention to detail will ensure a smooth shipment. Confused about any terms or question on either form? Access the glossary on the OSP Export Controls website. Just remember, completely fill out the appropriate shipment form, accurately determine the customs value, and contact the Export Compliance Officer early. Learn more at Smithsonian's Export Control website and access the Export-Import of Tangible Items forms to get started. For more information, send an email to export@si.edu or call 617-496-7557.